Okay, so I'm at a customer's house, and she has antique piece of furniture here. I'm going to show you. So she has this antique piece of furniture, and there was a stain here, and I'll maybe throw up a picture of that. But I tried a few different things. I ended up using an oxidizer on there very lightly, using the UV light to activate it. I have the fan sitting on a brand new towel. Essentially, anything that's touching it is clean or brand new. But she had tried to clean this and get rid of a stain on the side there. And she had tried this, that's about $12. She had tried that, that's probably $10 or $15. She had tried that, that's probably $8. Tried this, it's $12 or $15. And she's tried this, and that was probably $10 or $15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least $50 to get out a stain that I got out in about 15 minutes. And you can see it's almost completely gone now. So yeah, either way. So I've got the UV light. I'm going to continue working on it for a couple more minutes. Yeah, so either way, I learned all these fun little tricks from Jim Pemberton. He's pretty fantastic with upholstery. So either way, I'm actually at the customer's house. But there's a reason why professional products and professional training will always trump some crap on the bottle. So if you guys think you can't make money cleaning upholstery, you absolutely can. So anyway, guys, I will talk to you later. And no, I did not have to use the Pro-Solv gel. I actually used some stain exit. This is a synthetic fiber, but actually has horsehair as the filling for the furniture, so it had some essentially like cellulose browning. So that's how I took care of that. Alright, I hope you guys are having a great evening. I have to finish up here, and then Joe and I are going to do a restaurant, greasy restaurant. So I'm probably going to try out that new product from is it ProChem? Yeah, ProChem, the Extreme, the Ultra Pack Extreme. So I'm going to probably try that there and see how that does, because that place is notoriously impacted with grease. So either way. Alright guys, hope you're having a great night. If you're still working, show me what you're doing.